Hey everyone, welcome to Slice of Pie. Today's topic is star args and star quargs. So you may have seen these used before in some Python code and wondered what exactly they do. Well, I'm going to use them in this order pizza function so that you can get a better understanding of what's going on here. So first, I need to explain what the asterisks mean in Python. So let's say I have a list of numbers here. Now, when I print this list, we just print out the entire list. It's essentially just this one list object that contains all of these numbers. Okay, so in Python, when I add an asterisk in front of this list here and I print it, you'll see that it's actually printed each individual number. This is called unpacking in Python. This asterisk, when used this way, is called the unpacking operator. If it's next to some iterator, like a list or a string, it will unpack the elements of that iterator. So back to our order pizza function, we can actually do this in reverse. Let's say we know for sure the first argument needs to be the size of the pizza, but what about toppings? That's going to change from order to order. This function needs to be flexible enough to take in an undefined number of toppings. Well, all we need to do here is put star args as one of our inputs. This actually doesn't need to be called args, it's just the typical naming convention. You can change it to whatever you want. For this scenario, I'm actually going to rename this to toppings. Okay, so down here, when we call the order pizza function, we can input as many toppings as we want. Python knows that this first input is assigned to size, but all the remaining inputs here get packed into this tuple called toppings.